Miss Pooja, you are from which state?
Tamil Nadu.
Acha. Which part of Tamil Nadu?
Kadalur district, sir.
Kadalur district. Now, can you please tell us about yourself?
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. Thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity to present myself here. I'm Pooja from Kadalur district, Tamil Nadu. I have completed my bachelor degree in
Please,
mathematics
please
from.
keep your mic near your mouth and speak.
Okay, sir. Is it okay now, sir?
I think some fan is running above you.
Yes, sir.
Oh, please switch off that fan.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Now I think it may be better. Please tell me about yourself.
Okay, sir. Good evening, sir. Thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity to present myself here. I'm Pooja from Kadalur district, Tamil Nadu. I have completed my bachelor degree in mathematics from St. Joseph College of Arts and Science and my post-graduation in MBA Finance and HR from CK College of Engineering and Technology. I would describe myself as a keen observer and a quick learner, and my hobby is listening songs. I love to listen songs. I belong to a nuclear family where my father is a spray painter, my mother is a housewife, and I have an younger brother who is pursuing his bachelor degree in physiotherapy. That's
Good.
all about myself.
Which bank are you having an account?
SBI is State Bank of India.
Good. What is the speciality of State Bank of India?
It's a leading private public sector bank, sir. Um,
Yeah, that is the only answer. It's the topmost public sector bank. Good.
yes, sir.
Now, what is the latest news about ICICI Bank appearing in the news?
Sorry, sir, I'm unaware of it.
Why are you not watching videos I am posting? What for am I posting? For whom am I posting all these things? What are you doing at home? Huh?
I'm preparing for the exam, sir.
It's same thing. Watching videos is preparing for exam. Giving
Yes,
materials in newspapers which you are not reading means you are not preparing for exam. I have given very clearly that is how the interview will be about that which has happened yesterday. What I am asking you is what happened on 25th. I am asking on 26th. That is interview.
okay.
It is
I
not
will
sufficient you read about
correct
Akbar,
answers.
Akbar, Shivaji and all that. That is not sufficient necessary. You must read current affairs. You must read what is happening in and around us. Can you
Okay,
tell
sir.
me something about Kallakurichi incident?
Yes, sir. It is a huge tragedy
Hmm.
where around 50 people were killed.
More than 50 people. You don't know
More
the
than 50
exact
people.
number 59. So what you
Yes.
should tell more than 50 people have died.
Oh, okay, sir.
Very good. So how far is Kallakurichi from your place?
It's mm, it take 2 hours to travel, I think so.
I think so. Means finished. No marks. I think so. Appa, you need not have told me the answer. You could have told me, I don't know.
Okay, sir.
Kadalur to Kallidai Kurichi. Distance 100. Yeah, 2 hours. You are right. 2 hours. And if you had told 2 hours, that would have been better. But
Okay, sir.
maybe you said that is what is mistake. It is 100 kilometers only.
Yes, sir.
It's only 100 kilometers. Yeah. Now, what is the role of a PNB credit officer?
The role of a credit officer is to evaluate the loan application and accessing the credit risk and whether the KYC document are in compliance with the banking guidelines. He or she should monitor the provided loans, and
What
that's
is
it,
the
sir.
last time you visited State Bank of India and for which purpose?
Last time, to separate my account, actually my account is a joint account with my father.
Okay.
To separate my account, I have
You,
visited last year.
acha. Now the account is in your name only.
Yes, sir.
Did you give a nomination?
Sir, can you please
Hello?
repeat it?
Did you give a nomination? You know what is meant by nomination?
Yeah, the account is for myself like that, sir.
True. But did you mention somebody else's name as nominee?
No, sir.
Why? See, in the nomination will help the person to receive the money in the eventuality of the death of the depositor. Not that we are going to die, but
Mm.
the to make things easier, in case of accounts in the name of your father, you should take the nomination the name of your his wife. In the name of your mother, you should give it to your father. The name of yourself to father or mother. After marriage, you can change it.
Okay, sir.
You know, I think you have not heard about nomination, correct?
Yes, sir.
Nomination means giving the name of a person to whom the money will be paid in the eventuality of the death of the depositor. Okay,
Yes, sir.
you go and ask for in your branch, or if you are having your um, what is that
SBI.
App with you, you can search their nomination, and then you can give nomination in favor of either father or mother.
Okay, sir.
Good. So, what are the principles of lending that bank must follow?
Principles of lending will be safety of funds, liquidity, profitability, and diversification of risk.
Okay.
Should I define that, sir?
No, no, you did not define that. But then um, you should be able to correlate this with the character, capacity, capital, collateral, and the commitment. These
Policies
two
of credit.
you should
Okay, sir.
match. So take care of that. Now, please
Okay,
tell
sir.
me, um, you studied engineering. After that MBA, could you learn basics of
Sir,
accountancy
I
properly?
I studied mathematics, sir.
BSc mathematics.
Yes, sir.
Even then, could you learn basics of accountancy properly?
Yes, sir. I have learned some basics so that I cope up with the
Can
class.
you tell me the three golden rules of bookkeeping?
Yes, sir. There are. It is classified as a three account, like nominal account, real account, and personal account. Um, According to personal account, we should debit the receiver and credit the giver. According to nominal account, we should debit all expenses and losses and credit all incomes and gains. For the real account, it is debit what comes in and credit what goes out.
Good, not bad, fine, good.
Okay,
I'm
sir.
happy. Can you tell me what is a balance sheet?
Yes, sir. Balance sheet is a financial instrument which shows the total assets, total liabilities, and equities. It is a core financial statement from which we can evaluate the financial health of the organization.
Can you tell me what are the items that will appear under asset side of a balance sheet?
Yes, current asset, non-current asset. Current asset in the sense the asset which can be liquidated within 1 year of time. A non-current asset
Liquidated,
which
which can be converted into cash.
yes, sir.
Then
Non-current asset which can't be converted into cash within 1 year of time.
example.
Um, Lands, machineries, plants, like that.
Okay.
Long-term
Current
assets.
current asset example.
Current asset means income received,
Hmm.
and then interest received, the cash inflows, current cash inflows.
Wrong. Current cash expected to be received.
Yes,
Sundry
sir.
debtors.
Got it.
Sundry debtors. Then
Yes,
loans
sir.
given. Loans given. Okay, like that.
Okay.
Then what are the items that will appear under current liabilities of a balance sheet?
Current liabilities are the salaries payable, sundry creditors, then the short-term expenses, and the
What
interest payable,
what expenses?
short-term expenses.
What?
Short-term expenses, sir.
No, no, no. Expenses, why should it come in balance sheet? Expenses should go to trading account.
So,
Short-term expenses, not in, I mean, provision made for short-term expenses
yes,
or
yes, sir.
short or expenses due for which payment has not been made.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay.
Okay,
Liability
sir.
means what the company has to pay.
Yes, sir. What the
Understand?
company has an obligation to pay. Yes, sir.
Yeah. What is capital? Why it is shown under liabilities?
Uh, Capital can be further divided into working capital, which contains can you please give me a minute?
You are told totally wrong. Capital means equity and preference
And
capital.
yes, sir, equity shares and preference capital.
Why did you commit a mistake like this? Doesn't matter. No
Okay, sir.
problem. Now, why should we select puja? Puja
As
seem to
I
be
men-
not thorough with what you have studied in MBA. Why are you not thorough? Then
I have
I have
studied,
not
but
asked about PN. I have not asked about PNB. That is again another area. Now, why should I select you? Please tell me.
as I mentioned that my strength is learning something quickly. I will learn the
Hmm.
hello.
Tell me.
Yeah, I'll learn the compliance of the bank and the credit policies quickly, and I will
Okay. Miss Pooja, are you willing to be posted anywhere in India?
definitely yes, sir.
Will your family permit you to go away to North India?
Yes, sir.
Who is the MD and CEO of Punjab National Bank?
Mr. Atul Kumar Goyal, sir.
What was the total deposit of Punjab National Bank as on 31/3?
It was around 13.69 lakh crore.
Very good. What was the profit made by our Punjab National Bank last financial year?
It was around 8,245 crores.
Very good. Can you explain what is NPA?
Um, NPA is a non-performing asset, and asset is the loan which is termed as non-performing asset after borrower fails to make payment for the period of 90 days.
Good, excellent. So, how much provision should we make for substandard accounts?
Um, Sir, I'm unaware of that.
In the case of secured advances, 15%. In the case
Okay,
of
sir.
unsecured advances, 25%. Last
Secured
question.
50%,
Last
unsecured, sir.
15, 25.
Okay, sir.
Last question. Please tell me what is the GNPA, NNPA percentage of Punjab National Bank?
GNPA was 5.73 percentage and NNPA was 0.73 percentage, sir.
Very good. Best wishes. Some of these
Thank
things
you.
you are able to prepare very well. But when
Yes,
it
sir.
comes to your degree subject like this, please go through the credit officer's booklet and prepare.
Okay, sir.
Go through the questions asked also. Prepare seriously. If necessary, form some subgroups. Discuss with other girls about various topics. Try to improve your confidence in talking in English. Best
Okay, sir.
wishes. God bless
Thank
you.
you so much, sir.
You have the potentiality. You have to make use of it thoroughly.
Okay, sir.
Did you read today's newspaper?
No, sir.
Then why should I give you this job? Tell me. You are not able to allot 10 minutes time for reading today's newspaper, which I am giving you 12 hours before this time. Still, you are not prepared for it. What does it mean? Do you deserve this job?
Sir, I should
You,
work hard.
you should work hard. Why are you
Yes,
not
sir.
working hard? You think reading only books, even that you are not remembering how to tell it. Whereas your questions are going to be mostly about Kadalur, about Tamil Nadu, about ministers, about Kallakurichi problem, about other problems facing in Tamil Nadu, and like that current affair news related about 75,000 jobs the government wants to give for before 2026, something like that. So all these things you must go through newspapers and familiar with yourself. You
Okay,
have
sir.
not done bad, Puja, but you have not done very good. Do you
Okay,
get
sir.
my point? And you know how difficult it is to score a cutoff mark in the probationary officer interview. Very high marks. You have been called for interview here because it is only credit officer, only MBAs are applying. So the cutoff mark also is very less. So you could qualify, not only you, many others. But if you have to compete for general this thing, it is impossible. So please try to make use of this opportunity by reading well, by talking in English, thinking in English, reading in English, and improving your confidence level. I
Okay, sir.
understand you are a girl from Kadalur, where
Yes,
English
sir.
is not being given more importance, and
Yes, sir.
family is also not so high class where the you people speak in English. So this is the problem. Please overcome that by practicing. I am sure you will do it. Best wishes.
Thank you so much, sir.